The live price of Ethereum is $1,244.23 per ETH/USD today, with a current market cap of $150.93 billion US. 24-hour trading volume is $11.60 billion US. Ethereum is plus 2.37% in the last 24 hours. It has a circulating supply of 121.31 million US. Is Ethereum right for long-term investment? The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and unpredictable. Since the most recent crypto crash, there has been an overall decline in the value of tokens. In fact, many projects have witnessed over a 50% decrease in price. However, this does not mean that investors cannot profit from the market. As it stands, many investors are shifting their focus to projects that have long-term viability. If you're looking to invest in cryptocurrencies with a long-term focus, consider Ethereum, which has remained strong over the years. Ethereum's reputation as a pioneer of decentralized finance technology has given it a godlike status. Launched in 2015, it is a blockchain network that supports smart contract development. As a result, developers can effectively create, deploy, and run decentralized applications. Its native token, ETH, is currently second on the list of most valuable cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, behind Bitcoin. Ethereum has performed incredibly over the years, operating on a proof-of-work consensus mechanism. Currently, the development team is working towards migrating Ethereum to a proof-of-stake system. The upgrade will improve its functionality and is projected to cut down Ethereum's power consumption by 99% while processing about 150,000 transactions per second. Final thoughts. Ethereum pioneered the creation of dApps and smart contracts, expanding the viability of the crypto industry. The network has many features and a globally accepted native token. With its upcoming update, ETH will remain one of the most promising long-term crypto investments in the cryptocurrency market.